Hey there, beauty. Welcome or welcome back to my hair channel. Today we're going to be installing, blending, and curling my HerGivenHair. Make sure you stick till the end of the video because I have a special gift just for you. As I said, we're going to be using the HerGivenHair. This hair came in this beautiful package, sealed and ready to use. It is the 3-in-1 U-Lace, 24 inches blown out, and it came with all of these beautiful accessories that will help you utilize this hair in the best way so you won't have to feel confused. The hair comes with 3 clips, and as I said, it's already blown out for you, okay? This is what the hair looks like in its most raw form when you take it out of the package. So my hair is already washed, detangled, and twisted, okay? I am now going to add some leave-in conditioner because my hair is going to be away for a while, so I want to condition it, hydrate it, take good care of it before I add this lace or this 3-in-1 half wig in it. Okay, so grab whatever moisturizer you've got and give your hair some love before you put it away. Once I'm done moisturizing, I am going to go ahead and oil my scalp. I don't want to forget that part because I use a hair growth oil that really allows for my hair to thrive whenever it's in a protective hairstyle. So grab whatever hair growth oil you've got, and I'm going to oil my scalp, and massage my scalp as well. This is a good routine to have, honestly, whether you are doing a protective style or not. Now I'm going to braid the hair down to allow for the wig to be flat on top of my head and not be super bulky. So I'm going to do 2 braids. As you can see, I'm doing 1 braid here, and then I'm going to go ahead and do that same process on the other side of my hair, and of course pin them down to ensure that they are not coming out and they are not showing out under this wig. Okay, so take this time to braid your hair and pin them across your head. Once I am done with that, I am ready to blow dry the front of my hair. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take that flat twist down and get ready to blow dry my hair. Of course, because I'm going to use heat, I want to make sure that I protect my hair. And so the way that I'm going to do that is by using some heat protected spray. So I'm grabbing my blow dryer and I'm going to blow dry my hair to the best of my abilities. Now, if you do want a video on how to blow dry your hair, I'm going to add a video right up on top for you to check out if you need help on how to blow dry your natural hair. So since this video is not really focusing on that, I'm speeding this part up. But all you need to know is that I'm blow drying my hair in order for it to best blend with the wig. So I'm going to do that for both parts. And that is what it's looking like, you guys. So I'm going to be doing a middle part for this style. So I'm sort of creating the format for it, and I'm gonna get ready to add the wig. So this is the wig. As you can see, the little flap on top is still there. I did not cut it out. I ended up cutting it off camera, so go ahead and cut that part out so that it's obviously not in, it's not mixing in with your hair. So this is what the wig is looking like with my hair. This is what the blending process is looking like, okay? Now that the wig is on my hair, I do want to make sure I secure it and I tighten it to fit the size of my head. Okay, if you have a smaller head, you'll have to tighten it more. If you have a bigger head, tighten it less. Nonetheless, tighten the wig so that you don't have no accidents, honey. We don't want people out here knowing. Okay, so go ahead, tighten it and tuck the string inside the wig cap. Now this is what it looks like for even better foolery, we're going to blow dry both my hair and the wig so that it can look a little bit more seamless. So I'm going to grab my blow dryer and I'm going to blow dry both my hair, as I said, and the wig together so that I can sort of create a unison look. Okay, I want to make sure that the wig looks as close to my hair as possible. So now that we're done, this is what it looks like. I think this looks really, really close to my hair. Now we're going to start with the curling process. Guys, I'm grabbing my curling wand. Put on gloves if you're somebody who doesn't like the heat touching your hands. I don't really mind, so I'm gonna use my fingers bare as they are. And it's pretty self-explanatory. I want to curl it away from my face in order to give this the curl that I'm desiring. Okay, I'm holding it for about 30 seconds, quite some time. Then you want to scrunch the hair up onto your hands to really form that curl pattern, release, and there you have it. You're going to repeat the same process all throughout your hair to really curl up all of your hair. And once that is done, that really is the style. So take your time to curl your hair. If you notice, I am sort of blending my hair and the Her Given Hair together so that there's not an abrupt separation from my hair and the wig. And so there are some parts where I'm taking a little bit of the wig and a little bit of my hair to make sure that, as I said, there's not like a big separation. So kind of playing with that. I wouldn't just curl the wig and then just curl your hair. I would find a way to merge the two so that it looks more seamless and it looks more realistic. This process is pretty tedious, but it's necessary. So take your time. Don't do too big of sections. I think there are some times where I was trying to rush the process a little bit. So there have been times where took way bigger sections than I needed to. So if you're not in a rush, don't take big sections. If you're looking for tight curls, take smaller sections to allow the curls to tighten up a little bit more. And then it provides you with a longer curl wear. Okay, so go ahead, curl up your hair, and that really is it. You can watch me do this, and I'll be right back to chat with you in a little bit. Okay. All right, you guys, we are done with the style. This is what the hair is looking like after I have finished curling all of it. I mean, my hair, where? Hair given hair, where? I mean, the blending. This thing looks so good. Now, you can't tell me that this is not my hair because it is. I mean, look at it. You see it for yourself, honey. It looks so, 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 so good. I'm so proud. So, of course, I got to snap some pictures to remember, okay, how good this thing looks. Remember, I told you guys that I had something for you at the end of this video? Here it is. If you want to purchase this hair, be sure to check out the link down below. And when you get there, use my code YTB Love. That's YTB Love for a 20% off on your next purchase. Thank you guys so much for spending your time with me. And of course, as we always say, don't you forget to do absolutely everything with love in your heart. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.